Travis, what are you doing?
Got makeup.
You got makeup. Let me see. What are you doing?
Oh, he's destroying my makeup.
Why? Let me see your face. Why are you? What are you doing?
Look at the brush. Why are you digging into the makeup?
Show Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say, am I pretty now? Your daddy's gonna be mad at you. Makeup is for girls, not boys. You say you like me, Mom?
Okay, stop playing with the makeup now.
Say bye, Dad.
Bye, Dad.
Wave to the camera. Say bye, Dad.
Bye, Dad.
Look. Say see you later. Little kisses.